If you can make free plants out of the plants that you have, you can double them easily, and also you can add them to your garden and make it more attractive and beautiful. There are a few plants which you can easily grow and double and make free plants to get more plants out of it. So there are a few plants as a beginner gardener you can start up with, so that you can double the plants that you have, or else you can give them to some of your friends. So watch until the end to know what are the plants that you can double easily and make free plants out of them. When talking about making free plants, we cannot forget the spider plant. This is one of the plants that you can make free plants, and also you can give them, because this plant makes a lot of baby plants at a very short period. So now as you can see, this is spiderets, and I can give them as gifts and also can make free plants out of this. So this is one of the plant that you can multiply easily at home. This is one of the best plants as an indoor plant and ornamental plant. Keep it in a shady area, and care tips videos are available in my channel so that you can get more information about this particular plant. Pothos plants varieties are the next plant that you can make free plants very easily. This you can give to anyone with no time, because they grow very fast in water, and also you can propagate with a single leaf. So this is another plant which you can make free plants out of them. Bamboo plants are also another plant which you can make many plants out of one plant, because they also grow with a single stem. Put them in water and propagate, and after that you can put them in soil. And this is another plant which you can grow easily and make free plants out of them. So grow lucky bamboo also in your ornamental plants collection. When talking about Sansevieria, this is another beautiful plant which you can divide and make many plants, so that you get free plants out of Sansevieria also. So this is another free plant of it. So these are some of the Sansevieria free plants that I've got. And here are the spider plant free plants that I made. There are many with me. Syngonium is another plant which you can make free plants easily, and I also have made many plants out of this plant. It is very easy to grow, and they grow from cuttings. Syngonium plant is in the ground, it's not in a pot. Here are some of the free plants that I got. There are many money plants that I got from this single plant. So free plants can be gifted, or you can keep them in many places in your home garden. Coleus which you can grow from stem cuttings, and this is another plant you can multiply easily and make free plants. When you have one stem, grow it and you can make free plants and give them. So this is another beautiful plant to grow easily in water and soil both in a short period. Tulsi plant can be grown from stems and seeds both, and this is a beautiful plant and must have plant in your garden. And this also you can make free plants very easily. Now this is flowering already, and this is very easy to grow and one of the best and auspicious plant to have in your garden. This is another Tulsi plant that I have in my garden. Now plant also a beautiful variegated plants which you can grow with a stem and make free plants very easily. Grow them from stems in small pots. So here are my now plants. Wandering Jew also you can make many free plants because they grow from single stem. You can put them in similar small pots and separate them from the stem and grow free plants very easily.